Welcome everyone, I'm the Stage Tech Tinkerer. This video will show you how to install my wireless DMX streetlight kit. Please see my wireless DMX streetlight kit info video for more information. Installation requires a streetlight, a 12-volt light bulb, 8 AA batteries, or an optional rechargeable battery, a base, and a few tools. Start by double checking the fuse. Remove the front cover and the battery. Using a small screwdriver, set the DMX address with the dip switches. Using a small piece of tape, label the front cover with the DMX address. This unit uses one DMX address. Place 8 batteries in the AA battery holder. Make sure the power switch is in the on position. Connect the battery to the power input cable. Install the battery. Replace the front cover. Push the mini button for the voltmeter. It should read about 12 volts. Power on the unit by flipping the toggle switch to the right. Use the adjustment button to choose a group color: green, yellow, blue, purple, cyan, white, or red. I prefer blue. The device group color must match your transmitter group color. Install the antenna. Power off the device. Run an 18-gauge double wire through the lamp post. Connect the white wire from the light head to the black wire with the double inline splice. Connect the black wire from the light head to the red wire using the same double inline splice. Attach the light head to the post. Drill a 3/4 inch hole in the center of the top of the base. Cut a 6 1/4 inch tall by 8 1/4 inch wide rectangular hole in the back of the base. Run the cable from the street light into the hole on the top of the base and out the base through the rectangular hole. Attach the street light to the base. Find the double inline splice on the back of the street light kit. Connect the wires from the street light to the double splice. Install the unit using glue and/or screws. Install a 12-volt light bulb in the street light head. Without a battery upgrade, the wattage is limited to about 10 watts. Flip the toggle switch to test mode. The lamp will light up. Power up a DMX controller connected to a wireless DMX transmitter. The transmitter's indicator light will blink red when receiving a DMX signal. Patch the unit to your lighting console and note the channel number on the piece of tape. Flip the toggle switch to the right. The indicator light will blink green when receiving a DMX signal. The lamp will light up when the DMX address level is raised over 50%. We now have a fully functional wireless DMX street light. Please leave a comment if you have any questions. Check out my next video to learn how to upgrade a street light kit with a rechargeable battery. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel.